Hey y'all, it's the Glam Lab Aesthetics, and I want y'all to watch me do this underarm wax. So I'm using Sexy Smooth Wax and Tickled Pink. And y'all, when I say this is my favorite wax, it's my favorite wax. I have to have everything pink, and it's a good pink wax. When I say y'all, it goes on like butter, and it snatches them hairs. Y'all do not play with this company. This company is bomb AF, literally. So look, y'all. And y'all won't even believe. The wax is 50% off. And if y'all use my code, you get more money off. Like, what is you doing? Y'all really got to try this company out. Like, they're so good. So I'm just doing a cleanup strip. I do my cleanup strips in the different directions. I just had to get that little wax off because it was bothering me. But y'all wax don't got to be perfect. It don't got to lay perfect. I'm still working on my little strips. But y'all, as long as it get them hairs, it get them hairs. So my wax wasn't all the way dry, but I made it do what it do, and I pulled it up, and it snatched all them hairs. All I had to do was lay two strips. And we done. Like, look at her underarm. I didn't even have to tweeze or nothing. And she's been coming to me for a couple months. She don't exfoliate like she's supposed to. And I be getting on her. But she do. She be trying. She be trying. She do. But look at that underarm. Smooth like a baby's butt. And yeah, thank you for watching me, y'all. Make sure y'all go shop Sexy Smooth Wax. Mwah.